This is Minecraft Pick a Mob. Does your mob have any green on it?
Any green? No, my mob does not have any green. Oh my god, that was a lot. Is your mob hostile?
No, it is not.
It's not hostile. Okay.
Does your mob's name have any relation to yours?
Yes.
I wonder what mob you picked.
Okay, because you probably know my mob, I'm gonna just have to guess this. Is your mob the Wandering Trader?
No. Is your mob the goat?
Yeah! Wait, what was your mob?
The villager.
It was a villager!